Hi, good morning. I'm sitting on the Stena ferry. It must be about 12:30, and I'm just going to do a swift little drawing here in case I don't get to do any when I wake up in the morning in back in Scotland. I'm just about to have a snooze actually because I'll be driving when I get off the ferry again. But I thought it'd be kind of good to do something here. Okay, and so there's this guy who's lying asleep over there. There's very few people on the ferry. Fiona's downstairs having a snooze, and I've just decided to come up here. I had a sandwich and some crisps and a cup of tea, and I might have a little snooze now before having a coffee to take me for the last little leg of the journey. So I've not got my tripod or my microphone, so I'm just doing a very makeshift job, but at least it'll be something. And what it is just an image of a guy who's got his jacket over him asleep, and he's taken his boots off. Here are his boots, and he's maybe a lorry driver or something on the Stena ferry here, going from Belfast over to Cairnryan. I need to make the table a little bit longer there, it's closer to me. So I'm holding the camera with my hand, so I've got a fairly limited, it's kind of fun though, fairly limited range of movement here with my other hand. But it's kind of exciting, like it's giving me an organic kind of a line. Okay, and there's the menu. I think I'm better having a sleep and then coffee and a cake or something to get me lively enough for the final leg of the journey back to Milton Bridge. And Erin has just texted to say that she got full marks in her dance exam, so it's fantastic. And Lily has been on the phone to say she doesn't want to go to school tomorrow because she's not feeling the best, so I need to wait and see what happens there. It's kind of a Sunday night thing with her. I'm just going to do the back of the coach here, and then the front here where the light is, and then it's in shadow there. Chair in the foreground. So I was thinking this is something that you could do maybe on a napkin in a cafe. I was actually looking for napkins to do it on, only the napkins here are black, so I did a drawing on it, but it was a bit nondescript. It was kind of hard to see it. So so maybe you could either get white napkins or just use a bit of paper. But again, it's one of those simple things, so I'll be back into a bit more action when I get home now. I'll do something a bit more, substantial. But it just goes to show that wherever you are, you can do something. And thanks to my unknown model here. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye.